Today we're at the newly opened Delta Hotels by Marriott Vancouver Delta. We have a 2-queen bed room on the top floor. Upon walking in, there is a small shelf with a coffee maker, Starbucks coffee, and assorted teas. Next, we have a nice workspace with a flat screen TV above it. There are both standard and USB outlets to charge your devices, and some complimentary bottled water on the other side by the lamp. Below the desk is a mini fridge, but there's nothing inside it, sadly. Between the beds, we have a phone, alarm clock with wireless charger, and some more standard and USB outlets. There's not much of a view from the room as it just looks over the parking lot and the freeway. Back in the room, there's a closet with a safe and irons. Here we have the bathroom, which is quite spacious. There's a large walk-in shower. There's some argan oil, shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Here we have the view again, this time during daylight. The lobby is quite beautiful, and just a few steps from it, you will find the Corner Cafe, the Cascades Casino, and the buffet. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and while you're at it, check out our Instagram at Soulmate Adventures. Thanks, and see you in the next video.